STM32F7 discovery board with me. I have developed a smart meter monitoring system with the help of this discovery board. So let's have a detailed overview of this board. As the name suggests, it is the board by ST Microelectronics. It has 1 megabytes of flash memory and 340 kilobytes of RAM. It comes with this ARM Cortex M7 processor, which is by far the most advanced processor comes in any microcontroller. So the other features of the board are these are the pins. Some of them are GPIO, others are SPI for UART, and these are for ground and VCC. Here you can also interface Arduino with this board. I mean, you can give input voltage that is 5 volt to run this board by Arduino. This is a micro USB port, and these two are this is a mini USB port, and these two are micro USB port. This is Ethernet port, which is with the help of which you can connect this board to any internet, or you can connect RJ45 cable to this board, and on the other side you can connect router or server or anything. These two are audio in and audio out. Audio in, audio out. Others are here you can connect your camera with this board. You can see this, and here you can connect, you can insert SD card. So, and yes, it has onboard TFT LCD. So this was the overview of this board. Now the other components I have used for this smart meter monitoring are this LoRa module, and the other one is this RS485 to TTL converter. We'll see some detail of these two. So LoRa stands for long range, and this LoRa module is by Dorji, which is DRF1276DM. There are 7 pins: RX, TX, enable, VCC, ground, and SAT, and AUX. And here, yes, so it has also antenna. LoRa basically used for wireless purpose. You can make your system wireless using this LoRa module. And this is RS485 to TTL converter. Here it is MAX485 IC, which converts the RS485 into TTL. Here the meter I use Celex MFM383. It has RS485 port, and we can communicate with it using that RS485 port, but we have to convert that RS485 data into TTL so that we can communicate, we can send receive data with it easily. So the main purpose of this project, smart meter monitoring, is to receive the data wirelessly, metering data wirelessly, put the data on this TFT, and also send this data to Ethernet to router via this Ethernet port, so that we can see that data on our mobile or PC or any other any other component. So let's see how it works. So here I connected this LoRa to our STM32F7 discovery board. Here you can see TX I connected with D0 and RX with D1 pin of board, and VCC to 3v3, and enable and ground pins are connected to ground. So this is it. Further, I'll connect this board to router, and yes, I gave power to it by using mini USB and micro USB both port. Here on the other end, I connected this meter with LoRa. Here you can see this is RS485 to TTL converter. This is meter's RS485 port, and yes, it converts it into TTL. Further is connected to this LoRa, and this is a voltage splitter because this works on 5 volt, and we have to give 3v3 to this LoRa module. Not that the controller and meter are not at the same place. They will communicate with each other wirelessly. So let's see how this works. So when I press this reset button, I have already loaded the code for this smart meter monitoring. So when I press reset, the LoRa will send data, and in response to that it will receive, and it will print the metering data, the metering reading on this board. So this is how it looks like, and at the end this is a GPIO. Like if you press any button, it will do a particular task. Means if you press this photo frame, it will print a photo on this, and if you press this reset button, it will get the metering reading again. Means it will send some other query, and in response to that it will get the metering data of that time. So you can read the reading of your meter at any time. Like if we press, it will send again query and receive the data. So let's check again it works or not. So I press this reset button, it will send the query and receive. You can see the LED, blue for receiving and red for sending. So this is the data of the current data, I mean. Yes, so all are the data. So let's see if it can send the data to this router or not. So I'll just connect RJ45. Yes, with it. Just a minute. Yes, I connected RJ45 with its Ethernet port, and yes, it is further connected to router. So when we send a query, first of all it will receive the data, so the data on this LCD. Here one thing is that you can see what will be the IP address on which it will send the data by PuTTY, because we have connected this board with serial port of PC. So let's run the program again. Yes, okay. So I'll open the COM port. So this is the IP address on which we can see the metering data. So let's open that IP address. Let me check if it is correct or not. Okay, it is 0.4, not 1.4. Yes, so you can see the metering data on your personal computer also. These are all the values of meter reading. So now for photo frame, let's see how it works. If I press this reset button, then it will send the metering data. Yes, as we have seen this earlier also. Now if we want to see the image which I loaded to the board, I'll just press this photo frame button. Yes, you can see the image here. Okay, so now suppose you want to see metering data again, then you just simply reset the board. It will resend the code. It will communicate with the meter and get the metering data of that time and print it on this. This is how it works. Okay, so let's see the photo. Yes, looks nice. So this is how the whole system looks like. This is photo and metering data we have seen earlier. It will send it to router and we can see it on the URL. So yes, this is all about this smart meter monitoring. So here I have used the concept of photo frame, which can be used as advertising purpose, and also this smart meter monitoring system is an IoT solution to the metering problem we face in India. And as government of India is promoting the smart city campaign, I can say that this smart meter monitoring system can be a part of that smart city campaign for sure. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.